In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Shopify Theme Editor, Desktop. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use on desktop, and I'll point out a few things that commonly trip people up so you can move confidently. Keep in mind, the options you see may vary depending on your theme, especially if it's an online store 2.0 theme, but the process is the same. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where all of your themes live. Find the theme you want to work on and click Customize. That opens the theme editor, which shows a live preview on the right and a settings sidebar on the left. At the top of the editor, look for the template selector, usually a drop-down that might say Homepage by default. Use that drop-down to choose the page or template where you want the new section to appear. You can switch to a specific page or a custom template if you've created one. Note that not every template supports dynamic sections. Whether you can add them depends on how your theme is built. If you don't see the option to add a section on a particular template, that's likely a theme limitation rather than a setting you've missed. When you're on the correct template, look at the left sidebar and click Add Section, often shown as a plus icon. A panel will open with the section types your theme supports. You can scroll or use the search field to find what you need, like image with text, featured collection, or testimonials. Click the section you want, and it will be inserted into the page. Once the section is added, select it in the sidebar to customize its settings. This is where you control content, images, headings, and layout. Many sections support blocks. Think of blocks as the building pieces inside that section, such as text items, images, or buttons. If blocks are available, click Add Block to include the sub-elements you need. Then fill in the content fields. Watch the preview as you edit so you can see how spacing, image ratios, and text length affect the design. You can also change the order of your sections by dragging them up or down in the sidebar until they appear in the sequence you want. When everything looks right, click Save in the top corner of the editor. That applies your changes to the template you're editing. And that's it. Your new section is live and configured.